watcher and subscribers. In today's tutorial we will see about the pandas. Means we will take the introduction class on pandas, and here we will see what exactly pandas and how we can access data using pandas. So this is the important basic tutorial of pandas, and in the coming tutorial we will see more functionality of pandas. So here we start with what is the use of pandas. So pandas is mainly used for data analysis. Means we can analyze the information by using pandas. Means suppose you are accessing the information by using list, array, or dictionary, then we can study that information, we can analyze that information using pandas. And pandas allow us importing data from various files such as comma separated values, JSON, SQL, Microsoft Excel. Means by using pandas we can access various file and then we can analyze the information. Panda allows various data manipulation operations such as merging, reshaping, selecting, as well as data cleaning. Means once we access the file by using pandas, we can merge information, we can reshape, means changing the order of data, we can select the data, we can perform data cleaning, means we can remove the data by using pandas. So all these operations we can do by using pandas. Now here we can come in conclusion that pandas is a Python library, because inside it various modules are there, various functions are there, and panda is mainly used for analyzing data. So these are the key features, and the installation of pandas is very important, then only we can use the pandas library. So if you have Python and pip already installed on system, then installation of Python is very easy, and you can install by using just this simple command. You have to just go on the command prompt and you have to type pip install pandas. It will take all the setup of pandas. And in the pandas the important function is data frame. So here in this tutorial, in the practical session, we will see what exactly data frame and how you can use that. So data frame is the most common way of storing data. Means by using data frame we can store the data in the form of row and column. Means in a tabular form we can arrange the data by using a data frame, and then we can analyze also. So now here in the practical session we will take a program, and there we will use data frame concept. So dear student, now here in the Python ideally we will start using pandas, and for starting pandas first you have to import it. So we will import it now. So here we have imported pandas and we have used alias p. By using that we can easily access the pandas function. So first here we have to mention the data. So actually there are two ways, you can say more than two also, but mainly here we use a list dictionary for accessing the data in the form of data frame. And you can also have the array concept also, but here in this tutorial I will take a list as well as a dictionary also, and then we will extract the data by using data frame. So first I will take a dictionary here. So you already familiar with the dictionary concept, and here the one important thing is that the data frame data is mutable. Means you can do the changes also in that data. So here in the data frame, first here we are using a dictionary concept. So dictionary data is divided in the two form, that is key and value. So in this data our key value is name. So here our key is name and it is having some value, so it is separated by colon. So for this key, means for the key name we have some values. So as it is belonging to the name, so here you have to mention the name. So first name is Ram. So here in this data we have taken the three names, and then again one more key you can use it in the example. So my next key is age. So here I have to take their corresponding ages, corresponding values. So these three information belonging to the Ram, Suraj and Raju. And finally here we have the two pair of information, and then I have to use here data frame. Got it? So I have to write here p dot data frame, and inside it I have to use that variable data, that is the dictionary. And you can assign this with the any variable. So I am writing here df, and then you have to take the help of print statement for showing that data. So finally our code is completed. Here we have created first dictionary, then by using data frame we are showing this data with this object df. Now here we will check the output. So here date is not defined, that is the error, so we will just check out. Sorry, here in place of that we have to use, here by mistake I have written dat, it should be data. So our code is running properly, and these are the names value and these are the age value. So this is the data 0, 1, 2. You will get confusion. These are the index position. You can give their meaningful names also. So for that you have to write here index values. I am doing it here. Particular name, you can go for any name. So I have taken the name for the index position A, B and C. Whatever meaningful names are there, that you can keep there, and it will come in the output in place of 0, 1 and 2. You see here. So this is what the data in tabular form. So by using data frame you can do the data in tabular form in the form of rows and column. It helps us to show the data in 2D form. So here you understood practically about the data frame. And now in place of that you can also go for the list. So I am removing this. List is also very simple to use it. So here I have put the information here. It should be separated by comma. So here in this list we have the three lists actually, putting the information of name and age just like dictionary, and there will be no changes required here. The index value I am giving, but here in the dictionary we observe the names we have given, like the key we have given name and age. Here there is no key because it's a list, so it can be given by using columns. By using columns you can give the name for the column name. So I'm giving the name like name, and next will be age. Now we will check the output here. So here you can observe this is the columns name that we have given name and age. These are the index value. If you don't give, it will come with 0, 1 and 2 by default. So these are the names and age. So here finally we have successfully used pandas with the data frame. So now you understood practically what exactly data frame in the pandas. It is just showing the data in tabular form in the form of rows and column. So for that you can have the data frame concept. It is one of the simplest concept. You just simply go for the list dictionary like that, and you can show the values in the form of tabular way. Now in the next tutorial of pandas we will see other functionality also. So for watching the next tutorial or getting the notification, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.